Hi everyone, I'm Karen from Easy Access English, and today I'm going to be speaking to you about vowel sounds. In English, every word with a vowel is pronounced differently and is often influenced by the syllabic stress. Vowels play a crucial role in English language, as they can have various sounds depending on the context and the syllable structure. The syllabic stress, or the emphasis, is placed on a particular syllable within a word. It can affect the way the vowel is pronounced. Here are some key points to pronouncing different words in English. First up, we have vowel sounds. English has around 14 vowel sounds, which include both short and long vowels, and we also have the schwa sound. For example, the letter A. We have cat, where we can hear the short A, and we have gate, where we can hear the long A. Next up is syllabic stress. English words have both stressed and unstressed syllables, and the pronunciation of vowels can change depending on which syllable is stressed. Stressed syllables usually have a clearer and more distinct pronunciation, while unstressed syllables may have a reduced or neutral sound like the schwa sound. The schwa sound is a unique vowel sound in English, and it is the most common vowel sound. It is often found in unstressed syllables and is a central neutral sound that is less defined than other vowels. Another key point to remember is regional variations. English is spoken in many different regions worldwide, and vowel sounds can differ based on regional accents and dialects. For example, the pronunciation of certain vowels may vary between American English, British English, and Australian English. Overall, the complexity and variety of vowel sounds in English make it essential for language learners to pay attention to pronunciation and syllabic stress. Mastering the different vowel sounds and their variations is crucial for clear and effective communication in English. So there you go. I hope this video helps you and you enjoy our lesson today. Bye!